Hello there, it is me, Richard, and we are here for an episode of Fast Food. And today we are at Krispy Krunchy. Wow, Krispy Krunchy chicken. That is a tongue twister for me for some reason. Anyway, we're going to try their chicken sandwich. Hopefully that's level. Alright, we have a handy dandy to-go bag. Napkins. Lots of traffic going by. We have French fries. Yummy. Oh. Those are very good. French fries. Good and hot. Now we're recording this on a Wednesday evening. No Rufus, as I have some other errands and couldn't leave him in the car while I did the other errands, so he's safely at home. So nobody to share food with. It's all mine. Crispy, crunchy chicken. The Z chicken sandwich. Seems a little bit small. There it is. That's good. That's the same flavor as Chick-fil-A. I haven't gotten to the pickles yet. Pickles good. Ooh, those fries are still hot. Chicken sandwich. You want one? French fries. You want some? Ooh, there was something spicy in that bite. Wow. Definitely peppery there. And I got a Dr. Pepper to drink, as usual. 23 flavors, yummy. It's a good sandwich. It's a little bit small. I wish it was a little bit bigger. I know the Popeyes one's got a pretty big chicken breast, at least from what I remember. All these fries really retain their heat. Wow. So anyway, we're recording this on Wednesday. Hope your Wednesday has been well. Hope you had fun. Ah, that would be why a jalapeno is hiding down in there. That was what was spicy. Whew. That'll do it. That'll do. That'll do. I did try this place out a couple weeks ago. I got some of their chicken tenders and pieces of fried chicken. Both were really good. So definitely would recommend their fried chicken and chicken tenders. They also have a Cajun tender and I think a fish sandwich as well, which probably should try next as well. From what I understand, they're a franchise. I'm not sure exactly where all in the country they are. Might have to Google it for your location. I always passed by here on my way to walk Rufus in the park. I was like, I need to try that place. I need to try that place, and tried it. Pretty good. French fries, big fry. Ha, and it's all mine. No Rufus. Yeah, it's a fairly small sandwich. Almost to the end. It was a little bit bigger. And I did not expect jalapenos in it. Must remember that for next time. Anyway, let me know in the comments, do you like chicken sandwiches? Breaded or grilled? What's your favorite? And don't say raw. French fries. sandwich completed. Good, just needs to be a little bit bigger. Four fries left. Uno. Very windy today. We had thunderstorms move through Monday night. Tuesday was very hot. We got up to 95. And then we had a cold front come through today, and we've only gotten up into, I think, the lower 70s. I think 72 today. So kind of crazy spring weather we have here. How's the weather where you are? Excuse me. Last French fry. Alrighty. Alrighty, well, I guess that's gonna do it for Krispy Krunchy chicken and their chicken sandwich and fries. Pretty good, a little bit small. Used to be a little bit bigger. Chicken breast would be better. And I guess that's it. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you are not. And I guess we'll see you on the next one. There's a taqueria here as well that I want to try, so maybe we'll hit up some tacos for the next one. So, I guess that's it, and I'm gonna go do the rest of my errands, and we will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.